Okay, part 3. So I've reinstalled the brake pad. Best thing to do is before you do anything, sand anything, get the brake caliper off. Take your C-clamp, push these two pistons in. I like to sand them because it's easier to sand while they're out. So I sand them, clean them, and then I push them back in. So I'm pushing them back in. So what I'm doing is turning this handle and pushing these in. Now, the brake fluid has to have somewhere to go. So you need to take the top off your reservoir so it has somewhere to go. It's going to go back in the reservoir. So you turn the handle and your brake pads will be turned in. As you turn them in, it's hard to do this. One hand, two. But you turn them in until they're all the way in, and then you reinstall your brake pads. I guess this takes here a second to put in. But see how they're going in? So I'm using an old shoe to push them back in. So I'm not damaging those two pistons. I'm using the shoe itself. The old shoe. Push them all the way back in. Okay, they're all the way back in. That's it. Take the clamp off. Let's see if it went back in the reservoir. Yep, look at that. See, it went back in the reservoir and overflowed. So should have put something under it. Okay. So we'll have to get something here. Okay, well, little mistakes happen. So now, so you take the clamp off, clean this caliper back up. That's a little bit hard to do. But and then not everyone has a big old C-clamp like that. You can use a littler one, but it's going to be at least, I think, a 10-inch. I believe this is a 12. So I'm going to take the clamp off after you push the pistons back in. And take this pad back out, pop it back out. And now, see, I already cleaned them. They've got dirty a little bit. But I'm just going to respray them now. With the, matter of fact, and then reinstall the brake pads. That's it. That's all there is to it. And then putting it all back together, which I'll show you in a second.